Hello, viewers and citizens and future citizens of the decentralized nation of ALGO. In this video, we're going to be talking about ALGO.com buy option, and that will give you the option to actually buy algo tokens to be able to be used on the store to purchase items and services. So like I said before, this is not a investment vehicle. This is not financial advice. If you need to do investments or financial advice, please contact or hire a professional licensed financial advisor. Okay, so we're gonna watch a video showing you how it works on the website and what are the steps to take to do this. This option right now in the website is not enabled, and it's because, like I said previously, if regulation allows us to do this in the future in 2026 or maybe 2027, we will. So far, the only section that is actually enabled is the Web3 store and services, and that's going to be the section that you're going to be using for claiming your rewards and prices that we're going to be giving out. Since this project is a utility token, and that's what we are offering at this moment. So as you can see here on the video, you go to the section buy algo button, and once you click on it, you're going to be able to see how to connect your wallet. That will be your MetaMask wallet. You got to make sure you have a MetaMask wallet, and once you click on that button, it gives you the option to connect your crypto wallet, your digital wallet. Once you're connected, you're able to see the price of the token of the algo at the time and what's the balance on your wallet. And then all you got to do is put in how much you're buying so you can see how much you're receiving and how much you're paying. If you put a dollar at the time of this video, you will get 68.32 algos tokens. And if you put $10, it's 683. Then you have the option to buy, the buy button. And once you click on it, you should be able to pick whether you want to pay with credit card, debit card, or cash app pay. And you can see your wallet on top. You can see how to scan for your QR code in case you want to use your QR code. And here you will put in your card number and credit card information. And once you do that, you'll be able to press the pay now button, and then the transaction will go through, and you should be able to get your tokens into your wallet, into the wallet provided, in probably less than 30 seconds. After that, you should be able to see your balance on your wallet. In this case, it's a different balance, but you see that. You could also disconnect your wallet from the website, and it's safe to use. Everything is standard, and that's just how to buy algo tokens on the website. Like I said before, we do not have this enabled on the website. This is more for show, and this is just to show what is possible in blockchain and in crypto when it comes to the Web3 section. Of course, the idea is to or for people to be able to trade your Bitcoin, and like that you be able to have benefits of transferring from one blockchain to another and be able to use services on another website or projects. This is the main idea, one of the main ideas of a blockchain. And if you can see, once you do it maybe once or twice with a tutorial, you should be able to breeze through using this type of services. And this is actually the future of what's coming with Web3 options like stores and services. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn from it. And please make sure you subscribe and look into more of our videos that are coming in the future. And like I said before, we will be showing you guys all the options on the website, so you could be able to use it with no problem. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching. Good night.